I'm sure at some point you have experienced the same problem as me. You have posted some photos on Instagram and now you wish that you just didn't. Well, to be honest, the only way is not to delete that post entirely. Maybe you don't want it to be showing on your profile right now, but maybe you want it later again on your profile. So today I want to show you how to hide the photos without actually deleting them. Let's say I'm on my Instagram and maybe I don't want this photo of my dog on my profile anymore. What I can do is I can tap on these little three dots on the top right corner. And as you can see, I have a lot of options. I can either archive this photo or I can edit it or I can delete it. If I don't want to delete it, I can just archive it just like that. And when I refresh my page, as you can see, there is no photo of my dog on my page anymore. Now, if I head over to settings and then I choose archive, it says posts archive. So the photo that I just archived must be here. Well, I can see it. I'm going to tap on that. And again, using these three dots and choosing this option show on profile, I can make it appear on my profile whenever I want to again. And just like that, you can hide your photos on Instagram without deleting them.